name is Aamir Ghanison, and as for my background, before I was doing only hardware technician, and then after joining NetSoft, I'm working as a IT consultant for migrating from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So initially I did my bachelor's in commerce, and I was aiming to do accounts, but later on, because of my interest in computers, I did my A+ and worked as a hardware technician, and then I joined NetSoft, and then right now I'm an infrastructure analyst. And certificates I have done my MCSE, and also I have done my VCP in VMware, and also recently I did my SCCM certifications. NetSoft was recommended to me by one of my friends who previously did the course in 2015, and he recommended me because he was successful in his life, so he told me to join NetSoft. The course is intense because it's a lot of courses are done in 1 year, which has been, if you go in a different college, it's nearly, I hope it will be 3 to 4 years. So, but the quality, if you say that we spend the whole weekend from morning till night over here, and in the weekdays also we were assumed to do all the assignments. So it was intense, and the quality was good because of the 50% of the practical thing, because whatever you do the practical. So NetSoft is different because in NetSoft we focus on all the hands-on. Before I did a few courses in another institute, and over there they focus on completing your syllabus, but the practical, you do it on your own. But over here they focus on practical, plus they also give you a separate lab book so that you practice more and more. And as more as you practice, you gain more experience actually working in an actual environment. The instructors over here in NetSoft, they focus on each and every student, and they help you in the entire course, and whatever the things you don't know or you want to ask, you can even email it to them in the weekdays, and then they can respond to you back with the helpful information. So that's the main difference I feel like, because in another institute, they help you when they are in the class. Courses are intense. As I said, that it's a lengthy courses. You have if you are doing diploma, it's like 13 to 14 courses in 1 year, which are to be completed in 3 to 4 years. But we are doing it the whole course we completed because of the whole weekend we give over here, as a full-time hours we are given to complete that complete course. The instructors over here, they challenge the students in a way that they give you some assignments to do on your own, and then you search from the Google, or you can take help from each other, and then you find out the things which you don't know on your own. So that helps you and prepares you in the actual work environment. When you are stuck on something, you can search the solution on your own. Pros and cons, I will say that the pros would be you are fully prepared for the work environment, and you are given the full labs, and actually you are doing labs again and again, so that you gain more experience as for working in the real environment. And the cons, I would say, it is you have to dedicate your time. Actually, you don't get much time for your other work, but it is in one sense that you are getting more prepared for your courses. You are doing labs again and again, and you have to complete the labs which are being given to you. A lot of success stories which we have seen in NetSoft in the previous batches also. And if you say, as in my own batch, like we were 18 to 20 students, and out of that, I think so 99% people, they are already on job. So it's 100%, you can say it's a ratio of success, but it all depends on yourself also. So as per for the courses, is like, as I said, in the weekends we give from morning 8 to in the evening 8 o'clock. So it's like 24 hours. But the same 24 hours we give from our own side to do our assignment in the weekdays. So for the preparation of resume and job interviews, they have a special course which is included in our diploma course, which is Hire Me. And like in that, we are being supported on making the resume, and in different types, like different types of resume we made. And for the job interview, we are in the class, we are doing mock interviews, and we are being like giving same pressure which is in the actual interview. We face it with our class fellows, and we are getting prepared for the interviews. The one thing I learned over here in NetSoft, which is the best, is never give up. So you should never give up. Even if you are getting fail in your interviews, you can try again and again, and success will come. And we have seen by ourselves that after giving a couple of interviews, we get succeeded and we got the job. I would recommend NetSoft to everybody, because in NetSoft you are getting fully prepared for your for the knowledge, and plus your hands-on experience, which is not provided by any other institute. So that's the best reason I could say to join NetSoft. The message for the people who are looking to join NetSoft is you should dedicate your time, and from the initial stage you should go for your certifications, and don't wait for the course to complete. Just as after completing 2-3 courses, you start looking for a job and go in the join the market, and then when you are working, you get more experience, and you also get more interested in learning in doing in the courses and hands-on.